Hello guys, good morning. Sorry, it's evening. Welcome to a Quant Price. I hope I'm live and you guys can see me. So yeah, and also my voice is audible and everything is all set. So here we have Bank Nifty on the screen, and as you can see, it was a bullish move from previous week Virgin CPR. See, it was a opening bias, and right here institutions got the dip, and as you can see it was in the opening bias. And for daily, even though the daily chart was showing bearish signs, I'll show you how it was in the daily. Wait, this is gold. See, here it is. See, opened below pivot. It was in downtrend for the last 3 days, and see, fast and furious came to a dip, purchased 300 something, and again rallied upwards. See, in Bank Nifty as well, this was the Virgin pivot. Market exactly bottomed from there. So the bias, the weekly bias has turned bullish in Bank Nifty for sure. See, opened bearish and just one 30-minute candle pushing price above the central pivot range. See, closed above R1. This is also weekly R1. So it's extremely bullish in Bank Nifty, and also in Nifty, as you can see, the range shifting upwards, also closing above central pivot. Did not close above top central, but yeah, it's also a bullish sign. So yeah, that's these are two things. And as you can see, Bitcoin also in a short trade. See, weekly bias shifting downwards, took a rejection from, this was a daily H3, and weekly pivot closed below bottom central, which is a sell bias. See, closed below this price, so the sell bias. And see, opening wasn't that great, but see, took a exact rejection from the previous week pivot, and now it's in the downtrend. So that's my view. And also, as we can see what the dashboard says, Bitcoin, see, it's a sell in daily, weekly, and also in monthly. Weekly, it's not a perfect selling setup. Market's gonna be really choppy. So that's one thing, but definitely it's going to test this 60K once again. Bitcoin is a Bitcoin is in sharp downtrend. See, look at this, guys. Isn't it amazing? Bharti Airtel. It was a perfect trend day since the opening. Now, as you can see, it's 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. 7 days are left. And also in Bharti Airtel, Power Grid. It's a good trend, Power Grid. And Nifty closed upwards, although it opened for bearish. Nifty but took a support exactly at S1, daily S1. S1 was tested within minutes. Within minutes, S1 was tested. See, opened below and exactly took a support at S1. So this was one, two, three things, guys. Control side. So the weekly pivot. वहाँ से दो बार सेल के लिए ट्राई किया बट इट डिडंट. Initiative buyer has came in weekly time frame and pushed the price above central pivot. So also I am sitting live right now because I wanted to show you guys gold. It opened in bullish bias, broke the bottom central range, so it's already weak for bullishness. But still, this CPR is virgin 4817. Market is really likely to take support here, and once it tests this, then I'll be shorting right here. Previous week TC. So this is how price moves, guys. For la past 3 weeks, gold is just stuck. See, it's not shifting to lower lows, not shifting to higher highs, just stuck in middle. See if this week it might continue to rise because the bias is already bullish and weekly bias is already bullish, monthly bias is bullish. At daily pivot you should be buying, but it's below weekly central pivot, so now you should be selling. If it closes below bottom central, you might get a dip, which which could be this price 4817, which is a virgin central pivot for previous sessions. So yeah, gold right now it's for sell bias, guys. Don't look for buy, and don't adjust any stop losses if you're already in sell situation. So yeah, and also what we can see how many companies were in bullish trend today. Wait. So here's an interesting point, guys. The other day I was listening to Musk, and I really think now they can seriously clone people. I I have a feeling that they can. Now they can. क्या हो गया भाई इंटरनेट को? सब कुछ तो चल रहा है बट ये नहीं चल रहा है. Okay, so we'll look for the bullish setup. निफ्टी 100 में से नहीं यार, निफ्टी 50 से ही देखते हैं बस. बहुत बड़ा वीडियो नहीं बनाना है, cause सारे चार्ट सेम ही होते हैं at the end of the day. So there were only two stocks. One is Eiser Motor and other is Bajaj Finance. Wait, let me remove these from the list. Now corn price are booming. See, now they are booming. After every farmer has liquidated his position, Now they are booming. It's okay. I don't get. I don't care. I mean, ICER motor. So this was one ICER motor. It was daily chart. क्या हुआ आज? Dip तक आया ही नहीं. So this right here is the buying spot in buy pivot ICER motor. This one spot is the buying spot, guys. If you were to get a dip, should be buying here. And Bajaj Finance. Bajaj Finance. So this was the dip and it's already bought in the last session. Last session. It's already over. I mean, wherever it will open, it will open bullish. Bajaj Finance. See, it's already bullish. It was in monthly sell-off. Now, right now it's in daily bullish bias and weekly bullish bias. So you should not be worrying much because market sentiment is changing. It's going bullish. So you can buy Bajaj Finance. You can also plan a hold to. These were two stocks, Bajaj Finance, and if you'll check the list, Nifty 100 stocks wait. Because दो ही आए हैं तो we can also check more. Nifty 100, 100, 100. Mm-hmm. There aren't any. 200 में से देख लेते हैं गाइस एक बार और. So here is it. फॉरेक्स मेजर्स देख लेते हैं 1 मिनट उसके बाद देखते हैं निफ्टी या whatever. Bias failing, bias failing. Okay, so right here is the sell opportunity. No, what's wrong with this? Okay, the previous opening was above pivot. That's why one condition is wrong. Oh, it looks like a perfect sell trade, but something is wrong. Let me see. Wait. Opened below S2, range shifting downwards. This is the perfect trend, perfect sell setup. I mean, weekly pivot. So this right here is the sell point, guys. USD JPY, and I'll be selling it. Alt H. So that's one pair. USD CHF also in a sell trend. This right spot is the sell spot, USD CHF. But you shouldn't be selling today because let's see if the bias is already turned or anything. Wait, it's bullish momentum of BPOC, bullish, bullish, bullish. So it's not that bearish because price to be very bearish it should be below S1 in at least daily time frame. Okay, so this right here is the bullish formation and it's failing. सेल के लिए कितनी कंडीशंस ट्रू हैं? I don't believe it. Okay, so it's weekly bullish. These are the weekly CPRs. It's bearish in daily trend. So yeah, that's what happening. Last 2 hours गिर ही रहा है ये नीचे. See, this is the daily. See, this is the daily formation, right? Somewhere from I don't know here or somewhere. It's falling. So this is bias rejection. This can be a good target till here. Bias rejected, turning bullish from monthly bearish bias. NZD USD. This is mixed, no clear view. Gold bullish but no clear view because now the bias is failing, guys. In gold, it has started to close downwards. Bitcoin is still in a sell trend. You can you can expect a sell off from this pivot or from this pivot. Both are sell spot. This is a better sell because if big players will be selling, they'll be selling from the new higher high. So right here is the new high. This is weekly R1. You might expect a good sell off from that point to 60k or somewhere. Or today itself is a good selling spot, but not right here. You shouldn't be selling on the market prices, guys. That's the stupidest mistake I've been doing for I don't know how many years. So I still regret it. Sometimes I still do it, but कभी भी उसका वो नहीं होता मतलब I never get more profits when I sell on market price. So yeah, you should always be selling at pivots. बड़े लंबे टाइम में समझ में आया मुझे, but that's the real game. That's where the real money is made. Also now you can sit and just watch Bitcoin, and cause I'll be monitoring some charts already. I have put many alarms. BTCJ, as you can see, when some major asset class is on some good trend, maybe it can be buy or sell any trend, then their fiat currencies or like cross pairs, they also started to start to behave in same manner. So that's where you can capitalize more. Once you're right on one asset class, then you can like keep on adding to that. हेलो, मुझे नहीं पता यार क्या हो गया था मतलब. So yeah, Sid, hello bro. If you're seriously watching it, if you're watching me right now, maybe you'll watch me later. So bro, this will help me a lot. I like मैं break even हो चुका हूँ and I seriously understand the game now. Like it took me a while, bro. I don't know why it took me that much. Maybe I could have cracked it sooner. Cause being a computer science student, मुझे थोड़ा सा data and इस सब में दिमाग लगाना चाहिए था. But I thought it's easy. It looks easy. It looks really simple. That's why it takes years, guys, because वो इतना आसान लगता है and it's not that easy. See this, me and my one of my friend, we have worked on this dashboard for I don't know how much. Maybe it took a year or more than a year, cause not more than, yeah, it definitely took more than a year for us to understand the whole scenario, how market actually functions with pivots, and like we have done the back testing for, I don't want to brag about it. As you can see, this is the here it's the script, and you can go and just use the code. It's on my TradingView profile, so you can go right there and you can just use it, and you can apply this dashboard on your TradingView. It looks like this once you're here, and you can see all the settings and everything. Then you will understand what these are the different time frames, these are the important price zones. And see, also you can use it like this if you don't want to see how many conditions and like what's really happening. So right here you can see the next targets of the sessions, risk reward scenarios, what are the valuation zones, what are the hot zones, what are the Cambrilla pivots, what should be the day's expectation, like दिन कैसा खत्म होने वाला है, and these are the rules. Like um, अगर लेयर वन टेस्ट हो रहा है तो क्लोज होने की प्रोबेबिलिटी क्या है, एंड वट एवर गाइज, यू शुड जस्ट go and check out this book called Secrets of Pivot Boss. Then you'll understand this whole dashboard and working of the whole dashboard. What is L3, what is BPOC, what is S1 plus L3, what is balanced Cambrilla, what is lower value Cambrilla. So uh, these are not just random words. These are the words picked from this book called Secrets of Pivot Boss. You can just go and check out. You can download the PDF. In US, it's a $6,000 book. Somebody told me. In India, you can get it for 300, and if you have internet, you can get it for free, almost free. So it's a machine. It's it's machine learned book. मतलब उस book में AI models and उसके stats हैं. You cannot go and just read it and समझ में आ जाएगी. It's not that easy. You have to understand. You, you just try to read it. It might change your life. So the name of the book is called Secrets of Pivot Boss. Once you get it, you will know the whole understanding of this dashboard, how what it does, how it does, and what it shows, like what are the probabilities, why these rules, and why to buy, why not to buy, all data driven mathematical conditions, and everything is based on OHLC data of previous 3-4 sessions and previous 2-3 weeks, previous 2-3 months. So everything right here is captured on this dashboard from a minute view to a yearly view. And once you're like really confirmed that price is breaking in daily, weekly, then you can seriously capitalize and you can seriously catch up to big trends. Once you have the clarity this right price is the most undervalued price for the week or the month or for any session, or this right price is the most overvalued price for the whole week, or this zone is the most important zone for the whole year. This is how you can like this is what you can look in the dashboard and you can start capitalizing on that. So help me, Sid, help me to help all the traders out there in the world who are just dreaming of making money, unlike me. Once I was a dreamer, so now I just want to help all the traders out there who can like seriously develop this understanding about the markets, like what is overvalued, what is undervalued, when to buy, when not to buy, why you need to have a very very clear and mathematical clarity, like if this is the situation, I'm going to be doing this. If that's the situation, it's simple if else, bro. And I don't know how you convince the audience, cause I have none to convince. But I don't know how do you do it, how do you do it, but it sounds so convincing that you have like seriously coded everybody's strategy, and I don't believe it, bro. I don't believe it, cause जिसको भी तू check कर रहा है, none of them are traders, bro. None of them are traders. I have seen all of them, everyone on YouTube and everywhere. None of them are traders. So yeah, use my dashboard. I don't know why I named it a quant price, but a quant price because the final result a trader needs is a price. So a quant price, and quant is very small decisions taken in multiple different frameworks. So that means it is a quantitative decision making happened for this price. That's why it is called a quant price. So I don't know whether you like the name and my analogy for the name, but that's what it is, and that's what I have thought about it. So where you can find this dashboard, you can go on TradingView. The link is in my YouTube description. You can go and check out my profile, and there I have like freely published every script, and I have created around more than 50 scripts. I'm still working on some, but yeah, these are the perfect dashboard. Also, I have created few others for Forex because there are session changes like London session and New York, different sessions. So there has to be something which tells me uh, like the mean is shifting upwards or downwards. So things like that, those also have coded in some other dashboard. So this is not my Forex dashboard, but yeah, it works for a period trend. You can it look it for 1 hour trend and 2 hour, whatever you can trade in. So it's the beauty of price. If the structure is really clear, it will work on any time frame. Like if the structure is clear that the demand is rising, but it's not easy to see it. Like आँख से देख के nobody can tell it the demand is. Some people might say it कि okay this candle is going this way and green है, whatever है ना. But you should have a clear mathematical view. That's my point. Like for every situation you should have a clear view that this is what I have done, and that's what has happened, and why I was placing this trade on the first place. And a real trader seriously knows कि उसको बाहर कब निकलना है before he enters the trade. So that's the beauty of this dashboard. Like you can know your serious targets, like what should be my target, what should be my clear view for the next session, next upcoming week, next what was the previous day, like how was the previous day price action played out. So इसमें सब है. It contains everything. It contains the whole information of previous 3 sessions, which could be previous 3 weeks, previous 3 months, previous 3 quarters, previous 3 years. It has everything. You can also modify. Once you're a computer science geek like me, you can seriously start looking at mathematical condition, and you can also DM me if you seriously want to modify it in a some way. I really help. I can seriously help because I myself is a coder, and I genuinely want to code. That's my real goal. Not by far trading has been so fascinating, and I have really been fascinated by this world, but I know it's damn tough to be a trader. It's not this easy to be consistent. Everybody is just bullshitting on the internet about their daily profits, but yeah, no one is consistent, guys. Like for consistency you need to hire people. This is not a game of luck. This is not a game of individual player. This is a team player, and this is a team game. You need to have a team, you need to have system in place, you need to have setup in place, and you need to keep right alarms at the right places, and you have to watch price, like how the price is reacting to those pivots which you have decided to be the, what do you say, decision bias, or like the places where you'll be putting some buy sell orders and everything like that. So yeah, I think this is enough said. You can go to my TradingView profile and just check out my dashboard, and you can just tell me like what's the accuracy. I have already back tested it. I might show you the result once you public the video, and this is going to be a really helpful video, bro, if you finds it out. Or unless I'll be keep posting and keep DMing you about go and check out my dashboard, go check out my dashboard. So good night, bro, and subscribe for more videos, fun videos like this. Someday I might be sitting with my whole team once I have it. Then I'll show you like what we do, how we do. I'll be like I'll be showing it daily, and like a real trader can seriously show it like how he do it. Like I'll show you once I'll be doing it. So that's the aim of the video. That said, I hope you find out this video. And I'm also Naman. This is Naman Tiwari from Veritas-Bond, and Account Price is the tool. And you can go and check out on my TradingView profile, and it's right there. I have published the whole script. And you can go and subscribe. You can also follow me on TradingView. You can join my Discord. I haven't posted anything on any of my Discords or Telegram. I just have created those. Once we'll have like 50 people waiting there, I'll be starting to post. I don't know what I'm saying right now. मुझे इंग्लिश का कोई आइडिया नहीं लग रहा है, बट मुझे ये लग रहा है कि मुझे बस बोलना है, कि बोलने के लिए बोलना पड़ता है शायद. आई एम न्यू टू दिस फीचर, अकेले बैठ के लाइव स्ट्रीम करना. मैंने वैसे कभी कभी पबजी खेला है, मैं वो नहीं बताना चाहता इस स्ट्रीम में. सो गुड नाइट गाइस, गुड नाइट. दैट्स टू मच, आई मीन.